This is the Air Jordan 1 Low G with the University Blue. It's the Golf. You open it up here. See, it actually has a little guarantee to keep your feet dry while you're golfing. Take a good look at it. See, you can see it's a really nice looking shoe. Have a Jordan on the back. The laces. The tread is just a little bit more than what a regular Jordan 1 tread looks like. Leather seems to be a nice material. Got the Jumpman. It comes with 2 sets of laces, blue and white. Very nice. The star pattern on the toe is a little bit more spread out than a regular star pattern. These you could wear just a regular shoe if you'd like. With the waterproof guarantee that Nike Golf puts out, it's kind of an interesting warranty. It'll give you a 1 or 2 year limited waterproof warranty, which I think is really interesting. Very nice looking shoe. I think this will do well. If you look at the bottom of the shoe, it has the Golf on top of the Nike sign. There you go. Have a great day.